Hey, welcome. In this lecture, we are going to start designing the cart screen. Okay, now to do this, we have to go to the buyers folder and then the nav screens and then cart underscore screen, then the dot. And now we can, sorry, cart underscore screen, then the dot. And now we can use Control and B to make this wide. And remember, whenever you want to use the list view builder, it is always necessary to give a defined height. But what we are about to do, we are not going to be using this height, but we are going to be using something known as string wrap. That is, we are going to be setting the string wrap to true. And that is because we want to have all our cart item displayed vertically. So by giving a height, this height will basically, it's not going to be enough. You most of the time use the height whenever you want your item to display horizontally. That is this way currently. But we want all our item to display vertically. And if we leave this height over here, it's not going to be enough. That is why most of the time it will scroll down under the screen. I don't know if you see if you've seen something like that. So what we have to do is to get rid of this height over here. And since we are currently not using the height anymore, then this container widget is not longer necessary. So we can remove this. And now this is going to result to an error. So what we have to do now is to say string wrap. We have to set this to true. So this will basically work similar to that of the height, just that this will give us more space. Okay. So first of all, we want to have a card where our we want to have a card, and in this card the product image, the product name, and so on are going to be displayed. So first of all, we can just get rid of this image, and for the card we want to give the height of 170. Okay, and now we can have a child, and it's going to be a row widget because we want to have the image and the product name displayed horizontally. Okay, so okay, children. And now we want to display the image first of all. And what we can do is we do not want this image to be that much bigger. So we can have a size box. Remember, the size box is just similar to that of the height, sorry, to that of the container. So we can give this a height of 100. We do not want it to be that big, and also a width of 100, right? And now we can have a child, and it's going to be the image, image widget, then dot network. And now we can say card data, then we want to be able, sorry, card data, then dot image URL. Okay. And remember, this is a list of images, but we just want to have access to just the first image. Okay, great. I use sorry, control and S to save, and let's see this in action. We should have, and also we want to have all our images displayed vertically. Sorry, all our cart item displayed vertically. That is from the top to the bottom. And wait to see this. Wait to see this. And okay, great. And you can see we got this card, and we have enough card space over here because it is a space of 170. Okay, looks really, really great. And now we can have another widget, and what we can do is we can have a column widget now. And the reason is we want to have the product name over here, and we want to have some other widget probably the description, the minus, the decrement button to increment the cart or to decrement the cart, and the description of the product, probably something like that, right? So we can within the row, we can have a column widget and children, as you know, right? And if you don't understand anything, please do what to let me know, and I'm fully available to answer you. And this is going to be test widget and cart data, then dot product name, okay, and use Control and S to save. You're gonna see it. You gonna see it. Okay, you can see we have that over there. Seems good. And we can start this. Test start, test start, test start, and we can make this font size to be 20, and the font width, font width, but bold, and also we can give some later spacing of maybe 5 should be okay. 5, okay, and use Control and S now to save, and you're gonna see it shortly. Wait for this. Wait, okay, great, we got that, and we can easily just copy this and sorry, not cut, but copy. Control C to copy and paste over here, and this is gonna be product price. Product price. We do not have the price. Why? What did we call this? Sorry, we called this price. Okay, and it is a double, so we have to say dot to string as fixed. Okay, it auto predict for us, and you can see it is asking for the fraction digits, and this is gonna be 2. That is, we want 2 zeros after the actual price. That is 10.00, and we should see that over there as well. Okay, okay, we got this. We got this. And also what we can do is we can use a quote and use a backslash because we are about to use the dollar sign and plus. We can also give some space plus, and within this we have to say this. Now we can use our color, give a color to the price color, and this is going to be colors dot our yellow color, and we want to give some shade of 900 to this. Use Control and S now to save, and we should have that over there. Okay, wait for this. Okay, and what we can do is within the column, we can then say uh, cross axis alignment. Remember the cross axis alignment when using it for the the column is going to affect it horizontally. So we want to make all our widgets start from starting. Okay, over here. So this price is gonna be in equal line with this. And what we can do is we can wrap our column with a padding, and we can give this a padding of 15. Wait for this. Wait for this. Wait for this. Okay, seems good. And everything is working as we expect. And within sorry, within the harbor, as you know, it has a property. So what am I saying? Within the scaffold, it has a property known as arbor, and we can say elevation. We can get rid of it by saying 0. And the title, you can say title is gonna be test widget cart screen, and default is gonna be white, and we want to change it to black because we are gonna be changing our bar color. The color, okay, we can just go ahead and leave it to be white, 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 and we can give our hub a bar color to be the colors dot sign. Sorry, I don't know why I love signs so much. A yellow and shade of 900. Okay, seems good. We should have an bar over there. We should have an bar for sure. Okay, we got that bar, and we can also style this style, the style, and first of all, we want to change the what? We want to give this a font width and font width dot bold, and we can also give some latest percent of 4. Okay, seems really cool. Right, seems really cool. Okay, everything is working as we expect. So now we are able to successfully add product to our cart. So in the next lecture, we can continue adding probably the incrementing and the decrementing icon and some other fields we want to add. You can just go ahead and also add the size to get displayed. Remember, everything is being stored in our provider.